These animal driver videos are taking the internet by storm, and it's easy to see why. Imagine adorable, lifelike animals cruising in stylish cars, gripping the wheel with charm and confidence. These videos are not just captivating, but also highly engaging, entertaining, and downright irresistible. They've become a viral sensation, amassing millions of views across various platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And it's not just about views. These creators are generating significant revenue as well, tapping into this new and exciting niche. What makes this even more incredible is how fresh and untapped this niche still is. So you have the chance to jump in early and ride the wave of this viral trend. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own viral animal driver videos using free AI tools. You don't need any advanced skills or expensive software, just creativity and a bit of guidance, which I'm here to provide. So let's get started. The first step in creating your own viral animal driver video is to craft a highly detailed and creative prompt. This prompt is the foundation for generating the visuals, and we're going to use ChatGPT to get our prompt. Go over to ChatGPT, where you'll paste in this pre-written prompt I've prepared for you, which will be available in the description below. The idea here is to guide ChatGPT to create unique prompts for different animals based on a detailed reference. The prompt says, generate 4 prompts for different animals using this sample as a reference. Generate a prompt for a hyper-realistic anthropomorphic animal driving a car at night, gripping the steering wheel gently with both hands. Wearing round tortoiseshell glasses. With a calm smile and a steady grip on the wheel, they radiate unhurried confidence. The scene features dreamy bokeh of blue and amber city lights, rain-slicked streets and subtle motion, windshield wipers swishing, the dashboard glowing softly and raindrops shimmering down the side windows. Then click enter and ChatGPT will generate 4 unique and creative prompts for different animals, all inspired by the example provided. Each prompt will be tailored to depict a different animal in a similarly captivating and cinematic scenario, ensuring your videos are fresh, varied, and engaging. The next step is generating our images, and for this we'll be using a powerful and free text-to-image tool called Ideogram. This tool is perfect for transforming the detailed prompts we crafted into stunning visually images. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. Once you're on the site, create an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the plus icon to open the creation interface. This is where the magic happens. Tweak the settings like style and resolution to ensure your images align with your prompts. Now switch back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt we created earlier. Return to Ideogram, paste the prompt into the designated text box and click Generate. Within moments, Ideogram will begin working to bring your description to life, transforming your words into a high-quality and hyper-realistic image. Once Ideogram finished generating the image, you'll see several image options based on your prompt. Take your time to review each one and download the one you prefer. With your first image complete, repeat the same process for the remaining prompts to generate the rest of your images. The next step is to change the direction of your images, ensuring all your images are facing the right direction. Sometimes when you generate images, they might be flipped incorrectly. Open your browser and search for Canva Image Flipper. Click on the first result to access the tool. Now upload the image you want to adjust by selecting it from your device. Once the image is uploaded, scroll through the options below and click on Flip. Then choose Flip Horizontal to reorient your image so it's facing the correct direction. And just like that your image is fixed and ready to use, now download the adjusted image to your device and repeat this same process for any other images that need flipping. The next step is turning your static images into videos. And for this step, we'll be using Hailuo AI, a fantastic free tool that makes it easy to animate images and create high-quality videos. Open your browser and searching for hailuoai.com. Once you're on the website, sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the creation icon to get started. Select Image to Video and upload the first image you want to convert into a video. Now switch back to ChatGPT to create an animation prompt for your image. Ask ChatGPT to generate prompt to animate all the images and click Enter. Then ChatGPT will provide you with a creative and detailed prompt. This prompt will guide Hailuo AI in animating your image to make it look as lifelike and dynamic as possible. Copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT and return to Hailuo AI. Paste it into the text box provided and click Generate to start the animation process. This might take a little while, especially if many users are on the free version of the platform. Be patient, quality takes time. One great feature of Hailuo AI is that it allows you to queue up to 3 images simultaneously. This can save you time if you have multiple images to animate. Once the animation is complete, preview the video to make sure it matches your expectations. Then download the video to your device. Repeat this process to animate the remaining images. The next step is getting background music to make your video even more engaging. Instead of searching for pre-made tracks, we'll take it up a notch and create our own music using AI. For this, we'll use a tool called Suno AI, which makes composing professional music easy. Open your browser and search for suno.com. Once you're on the site, sign up for an account if you don't already have one. After logging in, click on the creation icon to access the music creation interface. Now switch over to ChatGPT to generate custom lyrics for your music. Ask ChatGPT to write cinematic lyrics to generate music and click enter. Then ChatGPT will craft beautiful and engaging lyrics that perfectly match the tone and theme of your video. Copy the lyrics provided, go back to Suno AI and paste the prompt in the text box. Return to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest a music style for the lyrics. Copy the suggested style, then return to Suno AI and paste it. Finally, give your track a title and click Create, then Suno AI will begin generating your music. Suno AI will typically generate multiple music tracks based on your input. Once the tracks are ready, listen to each one carefully.
Through the ashes where the winds collide.
Through the ashes where the winds collide.
They sound amazing. Now download the one you prefer to your device. The final step is editing everything together, and for this we'll be using CapCut, a user-friendly and powerful editing tool. Open CapCut and click on New Project to begin. Import all your animated images into the project timeline. Click on Aspect Ratio and change it to the platform where you'll upload your video. If any of your clips have watermarks or logos, click on it and stretch the clip until the unwanted marks are no longer visible. Repeat this process for all your clips to ensure a clean and professional-looking video. To make your video flow smoothly, add transitions between your clips. Click on Overlay, then select your desired transition style. Click Apply to All to add the transition effect to every clip in your timeline. Next, import the music we created using Suno AI and sync it with your animated visuals. Next, we add captions. Captions not only make your video more engaging, but also displays the lyrics of your music. Click on Text and select Auto Captions. Choose a template that matches your video's style. Then click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create captions synced to your music. Review the generated captions and make any adjustments if needed to ensure accuracy. Once all edits are complete, play through the entire video to ensure you're satisfied with your editing. If everything looks perfect, click Export. Increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and save the final video to your device. Now let's check out the final result.
Through the ashes where the winds collide, a shadow stirs beneath the fading tide. Whispers call.
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments section below.